So I've been getting questions on what the hell is this thing? And some people troll me by asking me if this is a sex kit. And no, it's not a sex kit. It's a circumcision kit. I'm kidding. Or am I? With enough drive, imagination, determination, you can make this whatever you want. But I'm just gonna talk about what this is intended for. Okay, so this is a cigar kit. A beautiful quality cigar kit. And I've been on the market looking for something like this for months. And I couldn't find anything until I came across this company, XIFEI. And I'm surprised by the reviews, and I really wanted to see for myself and get my hands on it and put it under my scrutiny and test it. And to my surprise, it exceeded my expectations. Basically, like, you need a certain level of precision and tooling and machining to get it right so that the action moves right, so it seals right. It's like mating surfaces that sandwich the blade. These things can't have deviations because then it'll catch or it'll get stuck. And so I'm really happy with this. And I'm surprised that there's no companies like Cohiba, Paragus, Hoyo de Monterrey, Monte Cristo, Romeo y Julieta. None of them make it like that. Maybe Cigar might have a cutter or a lighter torch, but nothing like this where it has the configuration and the combination of the things I want in this theme color. Because imagine I had to buy them separately, and then you find out they're like one shade off, the gold or the black, and then how do you box it up? So this company solved that problem, basically in a nutshell. I approve it. All right, so let's dive right in and get some close-up shots. The Nobleza Renovado. This is a great cigar. A lot of nutmeg. Creamy. But anyways, let's get back to the cigar accessories. Now, you don't need everything else to smoke, but I just wanted to demonstrate and show you the features and what I love about it. So obviously you saw the cutter, and that one is great. It cuts clean and precise. I don't think I need to go into this anymore. The lighter, very precise too, and nice and heavy. Nice little torch. This is a little mouthpiece holder, like this. I've never used this before, but let's see. Wow, this is quite nice. I guess if you smoke it down to the nub, it gets hot and you don't want to burn your finger. This would be a nice tool. It says on here it accommodates cigar ring gauge 54 to 57. Now these numbers mean out of 64ths of an inch. So if it says 54 to 57, it means 54 to 57 64ths of an inch. That's how the ring gauges are determined. Now this is a cigar stand. It's like a nice chess piece, beautiful detail. And look at the bottom. It's like a shotgun shell. This holds your cigar like this. It can hold your cigar like this. And my favorite, it can hold your cigar like that. Now the hidden feature about this stand is that if you untwist this, you'll find a punch. And I just love that design because they cram as much feature as possible inside one piece. They have a lot of attention to detail in the machining and very thoughtful. When tobacco gets caught in here, you just put this back on, tighten it, and it pushes the tobacco out and you're ready to go. One of my favorite tubes I've ever used seals great, solid metal construction. It will protect your cigars and keep its humidity. This ashtray, boy, I think this ashtray might be overlooked, and just now when I start using it, I realize just how nice it is to have a big bowl, because a lot of ashtrays, they have this little tiny personal bowl. I mean, I'm talking about personal ashtrays. The ash would pile up and soon you'll find yourself putting your cigar down, but it's like sitting on the ash. And so this eliminates that problem. This keychain is my favorite. So this is a punch. Nice knurlings on it for good grip. And if you twist this, you'll see a cylindrical blade. This is 10 millimeter. I'm gonna demonstrate what this does. So I measure it and twist. And it just sinks right in. And that's what it does. There's no loose tobacco that will come out. Clean. Now the tobacco's stuck in here. And all you have to do is retract the blade. It'll fall right out. The second punch is in the back. And same thing, if the tobacco's stuck, you just push it and it ejects the tobacco. Very simple, very clean design. Nice and heavy. Feels great in the hands. Let's talk about the elephant in the room. This is a tabletop cutter or a circumcision kit, whatever you want to use it for. I just love the weight, the construction of this. And it's a beautiful conversation piece. It's got a lot of nice details, and every bolt on here is actually real. It's being used to hold the whole unit together. And you can see the blade from the bottom for those who just love mechanical stuff like me. Solid. So let's demonstrate this. Beautiful cut. And that, my friends, is my review on the XIFEI cigar kit. I hope you found this interesting. I hope you got the answer you're looking for. And thank you for watching. And fuck you.